This one I call Mindquake. My flow will make your mind quake, soul food uptake. Bake life's sacred cake, sip from love's shake, never be a fake, never love forsake. I hope you feel it now, only you know how. By the sweat of your brow, pull your heart's plow. Feel life's wow, embrace the Tao. Cultivate new ways to see. Let me set you free. Hear my sacred plea. Be what you want to be. Your life's a sacred tree. If only you could see every he and she is we. Never more pretend. Sacred gardens tend. Sails catch great spirits wind. Your mind will bend. Your soul will send the fuel to make your heart mend. To find your sacred fate, let go of your hate. No other life berate. Don't walk through that gate. Let your mind create. Let your guilt abate. Find your kinder state. Get your priorities straight. Try not to hold a grudge. Try not to judge. Lest you be judged, maybe you need a nudge. Avoid hate's poison fudge. Let your stubborn side budge. Life's too short to settle for less. Love can fix a real mess. Let love's true heart confess. Let anxiety regress. Your problems address. Relieve your stress. Great Spirit's given you a test. You must do your best. Feather your sacred nest. Attend to your rest. Ride your soul wave's crest. Your vices arrest. To the power of love attest. Ouch, burn my fingers. One planet, one lifeboat. Mess her up, that's all she wrote. On earth's virtues I could dote. Around her castle we must build a moat. Her life is drowning, we can help them to float. Robber barons chew her up and gloat. Take in real soul food and join the fight. We messed it up, we can get it right. The solution is in sight. That's why I write, inspired by the web of life's plight. I feel nature's true fright. Sounds of bulldozers in the night, illuminated by firelight. Horror much too bright. Eyes from many trees look on from a great height. Is your mind quaking yet? I hope you don't regret calling my bet that I could get you reset, get your dry garden wet, your true heart's bounty in your net. I'm the one in your debt, one of my deepest needs you've met. Better to give than to receive. The love you give you will retrieve. Amazing things you will achieve. In yourself you must believe. Your sacred tapestry weave. Love coats your heart and need never leave. Love grows and grows even as we grieve. My verse cuts deep, sacred promises I must keep. These words I only reap. Great Spirit allows them to seep into this dimension creep. Just a whisper, just a peep, enough to cause my pen to leap. Find your own true path with heart. Only you know how to start. Live life as your art. Let your deepest, most heartfelt goals play their part. The tools you need are in your life's cart. You know you can turn it around. Feel the power of my heart's sound. Love's grace will abound. The square peg can turn round. True love can be found. Build your home on love's sacred mound. Make hate a thing of the past. Your troubles will clear up fast. This kind of a cure will last. Your former self will be surpassed. Change can happen like a blast. Love's sacred spell be cast. By you no one will be harassed. Love's flag flies from your ship's mast. Let your paradigm shift. All earth's creatures give you lift. Life's sacred treasures sift. Behold great Spirit's gift. Merge your old self with your new frontier. Let all you love draw near. Overcome paralyzing fear. Let Great Spirit help you to steer. Make love your true career. Express passion for all you hold dear. I hope these rhymes make your heart sear. Compassion for all life fills your soul, helps you to reach your goal, find your role. Inaction takes its toll, whole lives it stole. My flow is almost through. Now it's up to you. Consider all you can do. So many somethings new. No time for feeling blue. Life's such a rich stew. If we only knew our own happily ever after as our love grew and grew.